Tayo ngayon ay isang security guard na titignan natin kung makakapasok ba ang mga guest na to o hindi. Kaya let's start. May kita nyo naman ngayon mga tropa. Tayo ay nasa night club. At ang rules lang naman dito, bawal magkaroon ng hot mga tre. Yun lang!
I heard this is the place to be. Could I earn that green stamp from you?
Pero,
Oh, you need that? Sure, go ahead.
bawal na rin.
Bawal yan yung ate. Alam mo ba yun? Pero
Barel.
Feel free, it's not a big deal.
Gamit itong
Sandali lang.
pwede natin tanggalin, no? Ah? Kasi pag lalabas ka, huwag ganyan, ha? Linis tayo, di ba? Ang saya-saya mo. Ayan, di ba? Ang linis-linis mo.
Sandali lang mga guys.
Yung malupit
Country ka. Matay ka sa
Whoa, that was a rough nap. Well, that hurt! Ouch! That was surprisingly painful. Come on, no need for...
Sino pumasok?
sige, kung yan yung gusto mo, bahala ka sa
That's...
mo.
I'm quite ouchie! Why? Oh, come on.
Tignan ko lang, ha? Thrower?
Huh, this is interesting. Thanks for the accessory.
Swerte ka ba? Tingnan nga natin kung masusunog ba yung ano. Tingnan natin kung masusunog lang yung buhok mo. Tingnan ko lang, ha?
I'm happy to share. It's all yours.
Hindi na susunog lahat, pati yung mga ano. Gusto ko lang na. Ayan, yes. Tingnan ko lang na kung pwede yan eh.
Whoa, that was a rough nap. Why did you do that?
Okay na okay.
Anything for you? I'm glad I could assist. I guess I needed some rest. Thanks for that. Ouch! Nice.
Sandali lang.
Mahilig ka sa tato, ha? Okay. Napakagaling natin. Ginagawa lang natin ang best natin. At guys, kita mo naman to. Ang dumi-dumi na...
Mind, I hope it's useful to you.
Ang
Una ka, ano ka na kita papasukin? May pizza ka ba? May pizza ka? Okay. Pwede ba talaga yung baril? Oo, walang baril. Sinabi kong baril eh. Bawal lang yung may tato at bawal madumi ang shirt. Kaya ang gagawin natin dito, huwag ka magalaw. Bawal yung ano. Yan, Papa, wait a minute. Wala ka siyang shirt, mga tropa. Hindi pala madumi yung shirt niya. Siya mismo yung madumi. Oh my goodness. Bakit ko pinapaliguan?
Guess I was overdressed. Thanks for helping me cool off. I'm interested to see what you do with that. I'm soaked, but it's also kind of refreshing. Oh, it is cold. I'm soaked, but it's also kind of refreshing. That would help me cool off.
Perfect ka na.
Nice! Thank you kindly. I'm honored to be welcomed in.
Pwede ba sa mata? Ayan, tanggalin yung tattoo mo. Wait ka lang. Yan. Pwede ba makapasok kayo? Pero alam mo, ayoko yung bigote mo eh. Ha? Ayoko yung bigote mo. Tanggalin natin yung bigote mo. Yan.
Bawal ka na.
Try not to break it, idiot.
Tawag ko. Hinabo ko.
Taking my
Si
stuff
Bayo.
asking.
And here is
Bagay ko yun.
special. Rich and
Tama
delicious
ko.
classic, moist and soft chiffon and
Bagay.
delectable looking cake. Celebrate every birthday with the best tasting dedication cake. Red Ribbon, home of the best birthday. Yay! With amazing prizes. Enjoy up to 80% savings
Ang
from
galing,
participating
guys.
brands and get a free
Diyan magkain.
Tama, tama. Yan. Ang galing
Ano
natin
to?
ha. Huwag ka magulo. Baka matanggal lahat to. Yan, very guwapo. Very guwapo. Pwede ka na pumasok kayo.
Mga
You
sayo.
idiot.
Bakit?
You burned me.
Pumasok ka na dyan. Kailangan mo pa na isa.
That is not useful, idiot.
Ang dumi-dumi mo!
You dimwit, what is wrong with this will not end well for you, trust me.
So kaya pwede naman lahat ng ginawa niya kahit mukha siyang barutay. O,
Scam
bawal
you.
siya. May sakit. Oh, mahirap maging nurse. Kailangan marunong magkasakit. 34 yata. Ay, 35. May sakit ka ganda. Kailangan natin palamigin siya. Paano natin siya papalamigin? Tingnan na natin, x-ray lang natin.
X-ray.
Okay,
Ay,
Planning to snoop around you.
chicken ka dyan. Bakit pag chicken ka?
It's a bit unexpected, but I'll roll with it.
Bakit meron?
I know that you'll be.
Ano to? Ano to ah? Up! Oh! Gusto mo na bago style? Lagyan ka na bago style. Yeah, okay na yan. Pero, kahit sa anong gawin
You're a little
mo,
too
kahit
handsy for my
pumasok,
taste,
Kasi may sakit ka, kahit kinakain mo kasi yung daga, kaya may sakit ka. Umalis ka dyan, ha?
Next time,
Umalis ka na,
get
dito po.
before
Ang sakit ko kasi.
I'd love to be part of it tonight.
Ay, okay, ma'am. Meron ka bang tato?
Anything for you?
Pwede ko mabenta to?
you better appreciate that idiot.
Ay, okay, maraming salamat
Be.
dahil sa'yo. Ay, hindi, alam mo, bibigyan kita ng isa dito. Bibigyan kita ng banter.
Pumasok.
Oh, wala ka naman. Okay, pumasok ka lang, bibigyan ulit kita ng
Uy,
That's amazing. I'm so
ay
excited.
ba't pinarinig ko yun?
My friends keep urging me to hurry. I hope I'm not too.
Very nice, very nice. What the?
Not my night.
What the? Ma'am, pasensya na po, pero bawal ang hat.
That green stamp is what I need to make this evening perfect.
Ma'am, bawal po may pizza dito, kaya kailangan po kita i-x-ray. Okay, pati nga po, may pizza ka? Wala naman, wala.
Ay,
Neat tool, just don't scan anything you'll regret seeing.
Tapos ngayon, ma'am, bawal kasi may sakit. Ayaw na ba? Pero 35 ka, ma'am. Ano yan? Bakit ka 30? O 35 ba talaga? Ano ba
Great
yung
choice, I'm
sakit
sure it'll
mo?
help somehow.
Bigyan na natin. Okay. Bigyan na natin ito si Kuya. Ikaw, 25 lang si Kuya eh. Ikaw naman, 33. Ah, okay. 33 ka. Ay, di pag lumapit tayo, 37. May
Cool
sakit
gadget,
talaga siya,
hope it
guys.
helps you out.
Bawal may sakit, boy.
trick na.
Eh, paano kung linisin ko yung mukha mo? Mawawala ka ba ng sakit? Tubig mo, kaya pala may basta ka na kayo, namumula naman mata mo? Ano ba yan? Eh, uminom ka ng tubig, baka mawala ka ng sakit. Stay hydrated, yan. Very nice. Yan, baka wala na siya sakit. Tingnan natin. Let me see that. 37 ka man, bawal ka pumasok po. Pasensya naman, bawal ka pumasok. Ay, sorry, hindi mali. Natro ko. Alisin ko na alam.
Neat tool, just don't scan anything you'll regret seeing.
Hindi sinasadya, pero buti. Yan, yawal siya na. Napakaganda mo ngayon, ma'am, pero may sakit kayo. Alis na. Bye-bye. Love you.
Here you go, I hope it helps you.
Much malaki na. Much pinasarap pa. Chicken McDo.
Oh, nice.
Chicken McDo.
That was surprisingly painful. Why did you do that? It's a bit unexpected, but I'll roll with it. Guess I was overdressed. Thanks for helping me cool off. A bold move, but I won't complain if it's for a purpose.
A space where you can
It's a bit unexpected, but I'll roll with it.
It's where the walls
Ballerina cappuccino, okay. Ballerina cappuccino, me.
It's where opening a door always feels like a warm welcome. At
I'm happy to share. It's all yours.
The house isn't just a building. It's a space
You're a natural businessman.
and community.
Tingnan mo yung mata. Ay, naku naman. Ikaw, kinukuha.
Our founder,
Ikaw,
Engineer David M.
ikaw, umayos ka.
always wanted to go
Pag
into
kinukuha
house
ang cellphone,
where you can
binabato.
apply
Huwag ka na maghahawak ng
self-defense
cellphone ha. Huwag ka na hahawak. Ha?
Ganyan!
Oh, bakit?
my God!
Mali ba yung sinasabi ko na huwag ka mag-cellphone dahil maduduling at mabubulag ka?
And along the
Sige,
way,
isa.
there were challenges.
Pipitikin ko yung dila mo.
We pressed
Ewan
on,
mo to.
stayed
O gusto mo
committed,
lakasan ko?